SafeLink uses eSIM technology for digital service activation. If your eSIM isn't working, start by identifying the problem. Common issues include activation failures, QR code scanning problems, and device incompatibility. Common issues are activation failures, QR code scanning problems, and device incompatibility. For activation failures, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. QR code issues often stem from poor camera quality or app glitches. Try resetting the SafeLink app or manually entering the activation code. Ensure your device is eSIM compatible by checking the SafeLink app's compatibility tool. Remember, you need an unlocked eSIM compatible device, active internet, and must meet SafeLink's eligibility requirements with no other Lifeline benefits. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try these advanced fixes. For QR code scanning, try using a VPN to stabilize your connection, especially in rural areas with weak Wi-Fi. If you're using an older Android device, ensure your camera is optimized for QR code scanning. iPhone users, particularly those with iPhone 12 models, should ensure they're running iOS 17 or later. For mass activation failures, like during Hurricane Helene, SafeLink often deploys emergency eSIM QR codes via SMS. Keep an eye out for these. If problems persist, contact SafeLink support for assistance. Remember, SafeLink is aiming for 100% eSIM adoption by 2027, so they're actively working to resolve compatibility and activation issues.